Welcome to my new seasonal series, DantonScares. Yeah, I really couldn't think of a better name. But now it's October. It's time when the ghosts and the ghouls come out. And even the jack-o'-lanterns.
The jack-o'-lantern.
And I decided what better way to set the mood for October than to play a couple scary games. So I decided over the next 4 weeks I'm only going to be posting the scariest games known to man. But if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, I got this.
Hey, what do you mean by that?
Watch out, Keith.
Kill him, and then I'm gonna swim to the bottom of the ocean and get my gun. Stop shooting!
Alright, killed him.
I'm gonna go swim all the way to the bottom of the ocean.
I forgot that I did that earlier.
Oh, I just ate raw turtle meat. Oh my gosh, that's not what I was trying to do.
Wait,
Go
Josh,
get it, Kelvin.
it's Josh. You're probably,
I got
if you
everything.
didn't grab it, you probably wouldn't believe me that there was medicine out there. I actually think I do have to swim back out again because I dropped something out there.
Why are there so many dead Josh?
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm getting meat,
The water
bro.
is just riddled with dead bodies, dude.
Dude, I'm getting meat. Ooh, left my... No, I can't even carry it. Okay, someone pick that up. I can't pick up that turtle shell. I just ate more raw meat. That's not what I was trying to do. Okay. Well, I'm definitely going to be sick. Josh, get out of here. What's wrong with you?
Get Sons of the Forest, they say. We'll have fun, they say. Come on, I'm gonna give you a little bath. Washing off my severed head. Hold on.
Raccoon, I'm gonna
I
chop
should
the
shoot
tree
you.
down he's in.
Okay.
What'd you say?
Uh-oh.
What
Josh.
she said.
Okay.
Oh, he doesn't have a backpack.
Oh, hold T. Oh, I see.
Oh,
It's
never
hold. For me, it's tab. How do you switch it around? What's wrong with you? Keith,
ruined the joke.
stop. Okay.
You just shoot me!
Oh.
I had full HP!
Oh, it's about to be night.
Get in, bitch, we're going shopping.
Drugs in my body. I'm exhausted.
Keith, that would probably be like a funny line if you said it when we were like close by and not 30 miles away from you.
What? My screen's black!
Yeah, during
Oh,
nighttime.
the cart light went off.
Oh!
Why are you hitting me?
Josh, what is wrong with you?
After I gave you medicine.
Oh yeah, you gave me medicine. That vodka was real nice. Really helped me.
Alright, we're gonna go pick up Tony. Through
No.
the river. Get out of the way!
I'm trying to get in the car.
Wait, wait!
See
You
ya.
forgot me!
It's like mountain lions or those goats.
Listen, this ain't me being bad. There's so much in the way.
Oh, Keith, maybe it's because we're in a forest.
Yeah, why is a golf cart in the forest?
Why is the radio on?
Dude, you're smushing my head against
Listen
a
to some
log right
tunes.
now, dude. I'm surprised I'm not dead.
Keith, can you please get unstuck with me?
I'm trying, man. Everything stops.
Josh, are you good?
Oh my god. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Hey, tense.
Oh, it's a
The guy.
guy. It's a man.
Hey, sir.
Giorgetti's here
Sir?
too.
He's got a gun.
Oh, it's an axe.
Wait, why did we kill him, bro? He seemed cool.
Fucking hope pull out something.
Dude, what happened to
else.
everybody's name, by the way?
Drop
I
it.
looked everybody's name earlier. Why are we Harry?
Why are you playing his talking in the game? You're gonna try to get in with.
Okay. Wait, we're leaving him behind. He's still jumping the tree.
It's okay. He can do his own thing.
He's still going.
This is a nice open area over here.
Dude, I've never seen my dog run so fast in my life. But dude, I
Did you
literally heard someone screaming like they were being murdered.
The first murder your dog's witnessed before, dude?
Really? You're gonna make jokes?
I'm not joking.
It was a legitimate question.
Ow!
What's going on?
He just threw like 4 rocks at me.
Why is this dude trying to walk into the? He's just trying to walk into this wall.
Rock fight!
Josh.
Kelvin! Get out! You know, Kelvin?
Whoa! Whoa! He's down! No, don't kill him!
Stop!
I'm out! Look up.
What is the door doing? Look at the door!
I wasn't even. Oh.
Josh.
I couldn't put one there. That's too short, Tony.
No, it's just right. Right,
No, it's not just right.
It
Do you
is
have any,
just
Josh?
right.
Here. I don't have enough. That's all I had. Do you
I don't
have
have
any?
any.
Oh my
Here I go.
gosh. What do you have that for?
Alright,
do I
it's
have?
fine as it is, you know, it's invisible.
Oh my gosh, Josh, look! I have an arm!
We don't need that one, Tony. I guess it doesn't hurt. We don't need this!
Oh my gosh, why are there so many rocks? Oh my gosh!
Alright, Kelvin, quit! Where is he?
He's bringing more rocks! He's right here!
Kelvin, stop!
He's got more!
Tony?
What?
He's in the house!
Who's
that?
That's our new roommate.
Get him! Uh-oh. Out of my way.
Okay.
Get on my
How'd you do it?
I thought the
Honestly,
Get
I
on my-
looked away for half a second.
I thought the creatures in
Get
here
on
were
my
supposed to be
level,
realistic, bro. Do you see this guy? He's made of a bunch of fingers.
You weren't... Dude, my cousin's made up a bunch of fingers. That's messed up.
Oh, I just let him free. Oh my gosh, I just let him free.
Also, how did you put logs up here?
Put logs up
He
where?
just one-tapped me.
I got it.
On BD.
Why would you free him?
Ow, what are you
I was trying to
doing?
kill him.
Ow.
We're literally dead now because of you, Josh.
Why?
You freed him?
Is this guy hard or something?
He's like,
Kind of.
What do you mean?
So how
No,
do we
they're
fill
not.
in the corners?
logs.
Oh,
It's
gosh.
gonna look
Oh
so
my-
stupid.
You got it, bro?
Kill him, Josh.
I'm not going over there, bro. Oh, there's another one. All right. Good luck, bro.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Hold on, wait for the process. Wait for the process. Hold on.
Yeah, wait for him to walk in that door. Wait for him to walk in that door.
What is going on?
What is happening?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Why is there a
Hold
fire
on.
in the house?
Almost done. What is happening? Why is there a fire?
You scared away my baby! I have like no health still. Why do I hear burning?
What are you do? What's happening? Why are you
The house is
on
on fire.
fire?
The house
Walking
is on
through
fire.
the house. Bro, it's so f***ing dark.
What do you mean?
You're right. Let's light
That's
the place
why-
up a little bit.
Josh.
I forgot to light it first. I forgot Light it first. I'm torching the house.
Go.
You're walking.
There's a guy underneath you. You're looking right over his head.
There's nobody
He just
here.
ran right here. He just ran right here.
The little dude.
You're like,
Where?
who's around me? As he's just at your ankle.
You have to understand, I can't see anything. I'm throwing it over there.
What just happened? What? Oh, stop it! Oh, it's dead.
Boom.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Jealous, aren't you? Jealous much, aren't you? Keith. You wouldn't dare do it. Keith pointed at me again? Keith pointed at me? I'm screenshotting. So stupid. The house is just on fire behind both of
Josh,
you.
put on your mask.
Why is there bones everywhere?
Fine.
Josh, are you making stop?
What is going on?
Keith!
What'd you do to the base?
I'm trying to get in. We need a garage.
Why is there a fire?
We need a garage.
Make one then, you dipshit.
Everybody's on fire.
Why would you do this?
On fire.
Move, Keith. Move, evil bastard. Move.
What are you
Move!
doing? Stop breaking
Trying
the
to get in the
wall.
car.
Can you not make oysters on fire?
What's
I'm getting the cart in one way or another. The cart's
I'm in.
baby.
Wait, they're both in? What's
Yeah, I pushed it
happening?
through the door.
I think it's broken. I think you actually
I
broke it
pushed
through the teeth.
Keith is stuck again.
Coconut.
Doing nothing to help him.
What's happening? Sorry, I was busy.
Oh, there's a guy right here.
Hello?
Hey, yes, you can. What? Did you just.
What-
Bro!
What is blowing up?
Josh!
What is blowing up?
The house!
Why?
Josh is being an idiot. Bro. Oh god. It's okay, I saved when it was, okay, so, you know, I'm gonna...
Oh my god! Okay. No, I keep hearing you guys say that you guys are done playing with us because we're.
We literally are playing the
say
game
that.
right now.
I thought we were done for the night. I gotta take care of the dog.
Are you not seeing?
Let me save real quick.
Don't save. Do not save.
Why not?
Did you not see what happened?
No.
Go to the house.
Revive me.
Bro, who blew it up?
Well, it's saved before it blew up.
Stop. Let me out. How do I get out?
I'm dead! Help! Help!
I can't get out. Dude, there's so many.
Hold on, I'm doing something.
Somebody help! I'm
I
gonna
can't.
die. Thank you. Dude. Why? Dad.
I wanted to get a paraglider.
I just realized for like the longest time I've been starving, dying of thirst, and sleep deprived. What was that?
This is what you were working on. They don't even work. They don't even work.
You suck with it, Keith.
Did I hit a bird, not you?
You shot a bird that flew in front of Josh.
All right, I'm quit.
What is, do you hear that?
What is it? It's this thing over here. It's this guy. Look at my screen.
What time is it?
Outward tube, yes.
How are you guys still in the game?
Look at my stream. Look at my stream. He's just
I
been
gotta
doing
turn it up.
He's just been doing this. Hold on. Everything in here. Blah, blah, blah.